welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Today I will be doing 3 things in this video and I'm excited to take you guys with me to show you what's going on. So first things first, I am doing unboxing, review, and setup with this product. So the product came from Miami Event Decor. It's a set of metal frames. You guys, I've been looking for good quality, sturdy, very nice professional looking frames for such a long time. After seeing these frames from Miami Event Decor, they use them all the time for their setups, I knew that this is what needs to be used. So Miami Event Decor sent me these frames and I would love for you guys to see what they look like and review them for you. So you guys maybe can switch out your frames as well and use good quality professional frames for your events as well. Me personally, I am so tired of trying to buy a whole bunch of frames from so many websites and ended up being disappointed with every single one of them. After a couple of uses, I bought a whole bunch of frames. Let's start with that. And every single time after I would use them 2-3 times, they would become wobbly, and all the covers that they would sell for those frames are also a little bit cheaper looking than a professional set of covers. So hopefully this video will help you out. I'm so excited to unbox this and set this up and see how they're gonna look like, because I know they will be fire. So I will link this product in the description under the video. Go ahead and check it out. They have so many varieties of colors for covers and shapes of the frames that you'll lose yourself for a while there trying to figure out what you want, because I want everything on that website. Alrighty guys, without any further ado, let's go. So this is the box that these frames came in. I don't know if you guys can't see if it's too far from you, but it says 3 arch stands. So all 3 stands are here. Let's open this up. Okay, first of all, tell me this. Who has special bags for the frames? But not in one company that I bought frames from would give us bags like these to store our frames, and literally it's going to be so easy to carry them. So you can just one, like a backpack. That's what I'm like, from the top of my head, that's what I'm thinking. That's what I would do. And these right there, you're ready to go. So huge plus to these frames. Pipes are packed very nicely and professionally. Everything looks very good. Also, they included gloves, I assume, to install the pipes so your hands would not get dirty. That's my first guess. We'll see. Instructions as well, how to construct this frame, and all the parts that we need for an arch. I clearly just pulled out the top portion of the frame. As I am assembling them, I can see that these frames have an elastic between them, so you don't guess which piece goes where. And they do have these little, as I call them, I don't know, bowls, go straight into the opening and they click. Very easy assembly. Boom. There is a right or wrong corner to put on each side. You have to be aware that the base of it does have that little clicky thing in the back, and the corner should have a hole for it to click into that little bowl right there. So find the right corner, click that in. Another corner, click it in. All of the pieces are numbered, so it's going to be a lot easier for you to assemble. So this one marked 5 and this bottom piece marked 5 as well. So 5 goes into 5, click it in. So as this one marked as 4, and this side of the bottom of it, it's marked as 4 as well. Click it in. Side pieces, this one is marked as 3. I'm looking for a number 3 in my vertical pipes. And this one's marked 6, clicking that in. And the top is very easy. 1 to 1, 2 to 2. All right, now let's assemble the rest of our frames. Are assembled, so the size of these frames, these two smaller frames are 6 feet tall and 3 feet wide. The back one, the taller one, is 7 feet tall and 4 feet wide. So now here comes the fun part. Miami Event Decor also sent me, as I said, covers for these frames. So this is the package that I received with frames for all 3 arches, and also these clips. These clips are great for hanging your balloons on these frames. So these are the covers, and as you look closely, you probably can see what is going on with all the colors and these covers. So these covers are multicolored, if you will. So one side is beige, and I picked another side as blue. Another cover is beige on one side and pink on the other. And our last but not least cover, beige on one side and white on the other. So you can completely customize what you want with your covers. You can pick any colors that they have to choose which side will have which color. As I dress my frame with the cover, notice how tight it goes on the frame, so all the wrinkles will go away. Look at them, they are very tight on the frame, wrinkles went away, and it looks very good. Almost looks like a board, wooden board that you would use for setups, but this is fabric, which is awesome. To lock everything at the bottom, this case has a zipper, so you literally zip everything up. Oh, wait a second, I think we can pull it down and zip it up underneath, can we? Oh, you guys, I am so hot, but zipping it underneath the pipe is worth it. Honestly, it makes it look so even. Just a close-up. Look at this. I mean, excuse me, this looks so good. So good. Okay, let's dress other two. There was a reason why I wanted to do this video in my living room, because I have windows and you can see that these frames, you can't see light through them, so they're not see-through, which is amazing. Every single cover that I own is always see-through. These, you guys, not even a thing through these covers. I love it. Now let's do a quick switch with colors and see how they look on the other side. Amazing colors, very beautiful, not too bright, not too pastel, like a perfect pink, perfect blue, and crisp white colors. With these covers, honestly, possibilities are endless. If you have colors like I have, beige on one side and a couple colors, different colors on the other side, you can switch them up in any way that you want. For example, if we're doing something for a girl, we can leave this one pink, white over there, and then we can switch and make this as beige. Boom, another color palette that we can get out of this. Now, if we don't like white, we can flip it and make it as beige. beige. How cool is that? You guys, anything and everything that you want to do is possible. Let's turn this one to the white again. Okay. Let's switch this one to beige. And what can we see? Another color palette, right? Another variety of frames that we can have with these colors. Now let's switch this one. Boom. Something for a boy. I love it. For today's setup, I only need one frame, and I will be taking a beige one with pink in the back. Today I will be working with matte purple, beige, and gold balloons. It's going to be a very simple setup, but it's going to be beautiful. With my frame, I am also grabbing the hooks that they sent me for balloons. Let's throw them in. I'm all packed and ready to wrap. Alrighty guys, I am back home after installing that install for a surprise birthday party. So that client is my repeated client. She's doing a surprise birthday party for her sister, and she picked colors that her sister likes. So her sister's favorite color is purple, so we went with something softer, not bright purple, but we went with matte purple blush that goes really well with purple, and a little bit of gold in there. Also added some flowers to tie everything together. I used different varieties of flowers. I kind of played around to see what would look better and how it would look the best. So I ended up using 3 kinds of flowers. I will link them in the description under the video. I used wisteria, my favorite blush roses, and purple flowers. I believe I bought them at Walmart, those purple ones, but they tied in everything together, just a tiny bit of a darker purple splash in there. All right, going back to these frames, you guys, I absolutely love the frames. So far so good. They are sturdy, they don't go anywhere, they don't wobble, they don't fall in the middle like, you know, like a weird gap in them. Really good quality of frames. Even my husband, we were talking in the living room, and for the first time he saw them, he's like, whoa, these are good, these look amazing. So right from the start, when you look at them, they look absolutely amazing. So thank you so much, Miami Event Decor, for sending me these awesome frames and covers. You guys, covers absolutely just awesome. I love how tight they are, and I love that they zip up at the bottom, not over the pipe. I love that they're not see-through, and they look professional, you guys. All right, everything will be linked and listed in the description under this video. Also wanted to mention, once you install your balloons, you are not seeing the other color whatsoever. I've been taking pictures and videos of that install that I just installed, and not even a hint of another color behind, not even a hint. So huge plus to that. So again, thank you Miami Event Decor. Check their website out. It will be linked right there. One more thing that I quickly want to mention, they do have different shapes of frames, not only round shapes, but they do have open frames and covers for all of those open frames. They have those slanted frames and square, and so many choices that you can choose from. All right, on this great note, I'll see you guys back in my next one. Bye.